Hey folks, I'm going to take a stab at explaining the LightBurn cut planner, which is right over here under optimization settings. And the cut planner controls the order in which things cut or engrave. This is set to default. Let me click it to make sure. So down in the bottom, you have the optimization settings. Up top, you have the cut planner. And while it doesn't say cut planner, it does somewhere in the LightBurn documentation. So currently we are set order by layer and order by priority. So let's do a couple of things. I'm gonna grab some shapes. I'll just grab this star and maybe a square and something else. Hexagon. I'm gonna put these on the same layer and get them lined up. Make them big enough you can see. So we created these top to bottom. So if we select them and we do a check in the preview and we run play, it should cut top to bottom. And it does. But LightBurn gives us a way to adjust that. So we have, let me get a couple of more copies of this. That way we can test how grouping works and that kind of thing. So let's put these on separate layers. We'll leave the stars black. We will make the squares blue and the hexagons red. So it cuts by layer, but you still have to go into your cuts window and arrange the layers the way you want them. So if we want red, then blue, then black, to cut bottom to top, that's what you have to do. And I know a lot of people use red for a cut line, but I started out using black. Maybe I was confused, but I still do it. So if we run this now, it should run blue, red, black. So let's do it again. I'm going to try not to make this too long, but I wanted to explain it as best I could, and hopefully it'll help somebody out. And there we go. Blue, red, and then black. I got a computer making noise over here for some reason. All right, so if we want to change something further, we can go into the optimization settings. And let's say we want to set a particular priority. You've got some really fancy project going, and there's something in there that you absolutely need to cut first. Well, the way you do that is you get rid of order by layer, click OK. The first priority is 0. So if you want something to cut in a different order, just make it, let's make it 3. Let's make everything 3. Then we'll start here, make that hexagon a 0, make this square a 1, and this star a 2. If I did that right, a 2. There we go. So 0, 1, 2. So if we run this, it should ignore the layers and use the priority that we've set. So let's select, play, and there we go with our tic-tac-toe. So that could be pretty handy depending on how detailed your project is. And the good thing about this is, let me save this. if you save it, and then you start, let's look at these. The optimization settings we just saved are here. Click OK, get a new workspace. If you check the optimization settings, they are back to your original defaults. And again, I'll hit the default. So that cut planner stays with your project, which is a good thing. So if we go open it back up and check the cut planner, our priority is still set. So that's a good thing. All right, so let's check. Let's take out priority. Let's order by group. Click OK. Go in and set everything back to 0. So you could choose layers, or you could just group by whatever package or set you had deemed needs to be cut first. So we've done this one first, second, and third. So if we check that now, it should cut in that order all the way down. So that could be handy as well. Let's reset that. Let's just ungroup everything. Go back and let's reset the defaults. Now down in the parameters, the optimization settings, man, that computer's just going back at it again. In the optimization settings, it is set to cut inner shapes first, reduce travel modes, choose the best starting point, and choose the best direction. And there's other things you can do with this, and maybe I'll touch on that in a different video. But we're going to check cutting inner shapes first. Now remember, it is ordered by layer. So cutting that inner shape first only applies to that specific layer. So let's test it. Let's stick something in here. Put it on the same layer. And what it should do is cut red and then skip to blue. But when it gets to blue, it'll do this inner circle first. So let's select everything. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's going to do blue first because that's how we set it up. So it'll do blue first, but it's going to do that inner shape first. Let's check it here. Play. And okay, it only done it for that particular circle, which makes sense. See, I'm learning. I just been playing with this, and I thought it'd be a good thing to share. So I hope it's helpful to somebody. Let me see what else we can check. And I think that's about it. But when you open the optimization settings, be sure up top to enable your cut planner, and you will be good to go. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this, I'm glad to answer them. Like I always say, I don't know everything, but I've learned quite a bit over the last couple of years, and I'm willing to share what I do know. So ask away. So if it was useful, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel grow. Keeps me out in the shop. I like to be here, and I appreciate you folks taking time to watch. Just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.